Hey guys, welcome to Animate with Ilayaraja. I'm Ilayaraja. In today's video, I'm going to unbox this brand new Wacom Cintiq 16. If you are new to the channel, I'm a 2D animator, character designer and a storyboard artist. In this channel, I'm posting my 2D animation and behind the scenes of 2D animation. Especially, I'm a frame by frame animator, so I post my frame by frame animations behind the scenes. In today's video, I'm going to unbox this Wacom Cintiq 16. This is the graphics tablet I'm using right now. I am using this tablet for last 3 years. Ever since I was by this tablet, I was falling in love with this tablet. If you're a beginner, maybe this non-display tablets will be perfect for you. This is also a Wacom product. This is the product called One by Wacom. But if you're a professional or if you're in intermediate level, you need to buy any display tablets. The cost of this tablet is 55,000 in India, which means $750. But if you are buy this tablet from United States of America, you can get this tablet for $649. The biggest question for me is why you need to buy a display tablet. The disadvantage of using non-display tablet is you need to draw on this and look at on your display. That is the biggest disadvantage. Why? Because you have more distance between your display and your eyes. In display tablets, it will be more closer to your eyes. It feels like you are drawing on paper. Without any delay, let's get into the unboxing video. This is the box. Let's open the box. Inside of that box, we got this box. Okay, let's open this section right here. We got some bunch of cables, and this is enough for me. This is for India. These cables are for another countries, so I don't need this. Now let's open the surprise. Here we got our Cintiq. Okay, let's pull this out. Inside of this cover, we got our Cintiq. Let's open this cover. Okay, here we go. Here is our Cintiq 16. Let's turn this. Yeah, this is pretty light. I like this. Right here we got our 3-in-1 cable. Here you can see in this cable you got your power brick, USB cable and HDMI. Okay, let's put this right here. Last but not least, here is our Pro Pen 2. This is also one of the reason why I buy this tablet. This is the battery free pen. You don't need to charge this. This pen has 8192 level of pressure sensitivity. The pen itself has 2 buttons right here. On the top of this pen we have our eraser. Okay, I like this. Let's turn our tablet upside down. Here we go. Here we got our stand. Let's connect all of these cables with this Cintiq. Right here you can see a small part. Just push this. Here you can open your Cintiq on top. Just insert this cable inside of this Cintiq. Here like this. Yeah, fixed, and then you can close it. Now the stands are in open stage. Let's turn the Cintiq upside up. Here we go. Let's connect this cable with this power brick. Yeah, here fixed. We need to insert these two cables with our computer. HDMI cable goes to the HDMI port right here. The USB cable go to the USB port. Here we go. Once you have done everything, you need to download the driver for this Wacom tablet. You can go to wacom.com. There you can find this tablet's driver and download it, install it on your computer before turning on this Cintiq. On top of the Cintiq, you can see a button. Just turn on this. Bang, here we go. The screen size of this tablet is 16 inch. Okay, let's open a drawing program. This is TVPaint. Okay, let's start drawing. I'm feeling like I'm drawing on paper. They give a small texture on top of this tablet, so you can hear the sound while I'm drawing. This makes me feeling like drawing on paper. Okay, let's check the pressure sensitivity of this Pro Pen 2. If you press harder, you can get very thick lines. If you are loosen up, you get thin lines like this. Harder, thick lines, looser, very thin lines. You can go to thick to thin, thin to thick very easily. Okay, let's make a small animation by using this tablet. From here you can clearly see how I am able to draw very easily by using this display tablet. If you are drawing on this tablet, you are feeling like drawing on paper, so you can draw very clearly, very easily. If you want to upgrade yourself, consider to buy this Wacom Cintiq 16. This is a pretty good display tablet. I love this. Hereafter I am going to work day and night with this tablet. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel. If you want to buy my original animation files, go to my Gumroad. There you can find my original animation files. There you can buy it. Okay friends, thanks. Bye.